What's up YouTube? In today's video we're going to be installing a Nismo style front bar support where the strut tower goes. It meets the radiator support core to the strut tower on both sides. So I have it inside the shop right there in the wall. So we're going to be doing that, as well as we're going to be installing some little strobe lights. I picked these up for like $8 on eBay. So, but that's not really the main point of the video. The main point of the video is to install this Nismo style strut bar. Here is the box. I forgot what company this is. I've seen it on Instagram a few times, so I actually bought their product. It was like $150, but it should help with some way in the Z. So we're gonna open this box and take a look. Alright guys, I got it open. As you see, one bracket, two bracket, and then here's the other bracket. As you see. So this goes right in the middle. So this goes right here. So we're gonna unpackage it and it gets. Alright guys, so overall, check it out. Looks pretty good. So this is where you're gonna mount it. As you see, the two holes right here. Holes right here in the bottom. This one, same thing. Two holes right here in the bottom. You use some screws, and here's the main piece. So I'm gonna grab the main piece. This goes, I believe, on the bottom. Right there, as you see. But overall, this is how it looks. It's gonna slide down. Alright, so overall this is how it looks. So I'm gonna bolt everything up and then get back to you real soon. Alright guys, check out the bar. Looks pretty damn good. Everything's bolted on. She ain't going anywhere. Looks pretty good. So I actually did have to buy this brand new to be longer right here. These new bolts right here. But overall, came out pretty nice. Alright guys, so some sad news. This does not fit the DE. I mean, it does fit the DE, but you need the HR hood or carbon fiber hood, you know, etc, etc. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm just gonna keep it, or I'll probably sell it. But I really like it. Like, it brings character to the car in the front. It is what it is. Nothing can be done. Maybe I'll find another one online and maybe sell this one on eBay or I don't know, Facebook Marketplace. $100. It's $150 brand new. But now I'm gonna take this off and edit this video.